Hello, I am Akash Lohani and I will explain the APIs used in this project. So first of all, for the email module, we can see the APIs are listed in the documentation. Let's see them one by one. For the templates, we have two kinds of APIs. First one calls the post and get request to get all the templates and update them. First of all, let's see the create template component. So this component creates a template using the post request API on this template. So this is the API which is used to create a post request to create a template. Let's name it as course completion template and I give the subject as course completed. I can use these placeholders to get the data from the user data fields. So let's create a template using the post request. Now for the configure template, using the get request of this API, using this API at get request, we are fetching all the templates and listing them as cards. So after I select any template, let's say this one, it will select the template ID and I can configure it again. Let's say I remove these two fields. So after I click on save button, it uses this put request to update the template using that specific template ID. Now for view user data, we are using this API to get all the user data. So we get all the user data using the get request and I can select any user here. Let's say I selected one user, and in the send email we are again using the get request of templates to get all the templates and listing them. Also when we select a template, it is using the template ID to select the specific template. Now I can also preview the email and the placeholders have been replaced by the data of the first user. I can also upload a attachment. Let's say I upload this email notifier PDF. So now I can click on the send email. If I click on the send email, it uses the post requests to send the email. And the post request can be viewed here. So it says email sent successfully to one user, and we can see this request which was used now. So this post request was used to send the email. Also for the history, we are using this get request to get all the history from the database. So it fetches all the history. And for the upload user data, we have a post request by which we can save all the user data into the database using a CSV or JSON file. So before using the upload user data, let's see that users up to 44 are present. Users with ID 44 are present. So I go to upload user data, choose a file. Let's say I'm using this CSV file to upload more user data, and I click on upload. It says data uploaded successfully. It uses this post request to upload the user data, and I can also view it that they have ID 51 and 50. These two users have been added. Now we can also view that the email was sent here and I have received these two emails, and the data has been replaced with the placeholders, and the attachment is also added here. We can also look at the database, where this is the database connection, and in under this database we have email history which contains all the history, with email templates which contains all the templates, and email users which contains all the users listed here. So this database is used to store all the data for the email, and they are being fetched using APIs and also updated. Thank you.